In your Saloodo dashboard, there is your personal profile and also a profile of your company. In this tutorial, we will show you which settings you can change in both profiles. To change personal settings, click on your initials and then on a profile. You will now see your data and the settings for your Saloodo account. Please make sure that your data is always up to date so that our customer service team can contact you whenever needed. Under your personal settings, you can set your preferred language, time zone, and currency. We currently offer 11 languages and conversion to all currencies worldwide. In addition, click the small checkbox to allow us to send you news about Saloodo. This way you will always be up to date and won't miss anything. You should also allow email notifications. Then you will be informed by us as soon as something changes regarding your transport requests, and you do not have to check this yourself. The second profile section in the dashboard is your company profile. To access this, click on Company. If you are the administrator of your company for Saloodo, you can invite other colleagues to become Saloodo users here. Intra-company collaboration via Saloodo has many advantages. For example, you can make processes leaner and more error-free. Adding more users is unlimited and completely free. Saloodo does not charge any user-dependent fees. In the company profile, you also create a small profile about your company. The information there helps us to get to know your company better. This way we can offer you a better, individual service.